Imagine sinking your teeth into a piece of bread so soft, it's like biting into a cloud. A bread so perfectly puffy, it practically floats right off the table. A bread that fills the room with a heavenly aroma that beckons you from miles away. That's the dream, isn't it? Well, today, that dream becomes a reality. Welcome to the art of making soft, puffy bread using the Ninja Foodi. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast, 3½ cups of bread flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt. Start by dissolving the sugar into the warm water. Stir until it's fully dissolved. Now sprinkle the active dry yeast over the sweetened water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. This frothiness indicates that the yeast is active, ready to make your bread rise to new heights. Next, it's time to combine the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, mix the bread flour and salt together. Make a well in the center and pour in the frothy yeast mixture. Also, add the olive oil. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Mix everything together until a dough starts to form. Once the dough has formed, knead it on a floured surface for about 10 minutes. This kneading process is crucial for developing gluten, which gives the bread its elasticity and chewiness. Now, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel, and let it rise. This should take about an hour, but it's worth the wait. The dough should double in size, transforming into a pillowy mass of potential. After the dough has risen, divide it into 2 equal parts. Shape each part into a loaf and place them on the Ninja Foodi's reversible rack. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Use the bake function on the Ninja Foodi and set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it turns a golden brown. Once the bread is baked to perfection, remove it from the Ninja Foodi and let it cool on a wire rack. Resist the temptation to slice into it immediately. Letting it cool will ensure that the bread finishes cooking from residual heat and sets properly. And there you have it. The soft, puffy bread of your dreams, made reality by the Ninja Foodi. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, soft, chewy, and with a subtle hint of olive oil. It's perfect for sandwiches, toast, or just eating on its own with a pat of butter. To recap, dissolve sugar and yeast in warm water, mix the wet ingredients with flour and salt, knead the dough, let it rise, shape it into loaves, and bake in the Ninja Foodi. The process might seem lengthy, but every moment spent is a step towards creating a bread that's nothing short of perfection. The journey of making bread is a dance between patience and passion. It's about understanding how simple ingredients can come together to create something magical. And at the end of the day, it's about the joy of sharing a piece of homemade bread, knowing that every bite is a testament to your labor of love. So go ahead, take this knowledge and create your own soft, puffy bread masterpiece.